Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and I am here in Gatwick, London Airport, and I'm freaking lost. I'm trying to figure out what train to get on, because there's trains here, there's trains there, there's trains there. I'm just trying to figure this out. I just got a ticket, and I think I need to go this way. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Ooh. So I gotta go over to platform 2. Let's get on the train. Alright, so this is train number 1, and now it's time to take another train. So let's keep this adventure going. Ooh, I get to take the tube for the first time. This is the tube. This is pretty cool. So I gotta walk over and find this other station, and then from there we got to take, I think, a bus. But instead of taking the bus, I may just walk. This train ticket I got, you guys may be interested how much did it cost. Well, this was $17.10, and that's in pounds. I don't exactly know the conversion off the top of my head, but I will definitely put it in the description below, somewhere around there. But I think that's about $25 to $30, just a guess off the top of my head. Look at this place, it's huge. I wonder, they got falafels around here. I haven't had a meal yet. Wow, look at this place. Welcome to London. The toilet, I like how it says free, because a lot of restrooms in Europe you have to actually pay to use the bathroom, but I guess it's free here because this is not Europe, this is the UK. No, wait, England is a part of Europe. Okay, I need to go this way to get to the underground train that way. I'm so stoked. This is my first time ever taking the tube. I've always, like, you know, heard about the tube. I've always seen it in movies, but right now I'm about to get up on the tube. I'm about to tube on the tube, yo. Let's go tube this tube. Underground, this way. Let's do it. Now, this is the way I really need to go, but I'm getting a little distracted. Look at those old buses over there. Look at these old buildings over here. Hey, let's go explore. It's not like I have, you know, 3 backpacks. I mean, I pretty much got this bag and the one on my back, so let's go walk around and explore. We'll go take that train in a minute. Big bus of London. Oh, there's a Starbucks. Oh, there's a Shake Shack there. And I think this is pretty popular in New York, Bleecker. I've noticed that. I could be wrong. I don't know if that's really popular in New York. I've seen that somewhere. I don't know. Maybe I've seen that somewhere else in Europe, or maybe Paris or somewhere. Anyone, you seen Bleecker? Let me know in the comments below. Where did you see Bleecker at? I think this way, if I keep walking this way, I'll hit Buckingham Palace. And let's, since it's so close, let's go over and check it out. Let's go see what Buckingham Palace is like from the outside on a rainy day, before I drop my bags off. What we got over here? Look at that, Buckingham Palace. Look at that. It's like a big castle, yo. Dang, just imagine how many people could live up in there. It's like all raining out here. I don't care, man. I'm having a blast. Exploring, yo. So I found some vegan restaurants. So there's this app called Happy Cow, and you download it. You actually have to pay for it. It's like $4, and it shows you vegan food like nearby you. So I found this restaurant. It's called Jerusalem Falafels or something like that. So I'll probably go over and check that place out. It's about I don't know, it's about 1.5 miles away, like 2 kilometers away. Check out this, yo. Look at that gold up there. Bling, bling, yo. Castles and stuff. Kings and queens. Dang, this is epic. So what if it's raining? And I got 5 hours of sleep on the plane last night. I'm stoked, yo. No, I just stopped and exchanged $100 for some pounds. And how many pounds did I get? I got 65.95 for 100. So that's like what 1.65. I know that sounds really confusing, but probably the easiest way to convert that is 1.75 round up. I don't know. Let's head to this train station. The rain is starting to come down a little bit more. So we are back at London Victoria, and let's go get on the tube. Remember the tube from earlier? Yeah, let's go ride the tube. Go over to the hostel, drop the bags off. Lots of moving around, lots of fun, lots of taking buses and trains. Yeah, Mediterranean food. Sounds amazing right now. Let's go do that.
You know,
when boarding this service. Next stop will be going.
Now this place right here looks like the place that I just came from, but I don't think it's the same place. This is a different place. How do you exit? Like street. Maybe this one? Way out, yes. There's the door. And it's raining like cats and dogs. Good news. There's one of these buses I can take. Looks like it's the 30 bus. I'm gonna see it around. Let me make sure this is the right stop. Yeah, there is. There's the 30 bus. Well, that's not the bus, but this lets me know that I'm in the correct place to catch the 30 bus. Thoughts about England? It's very, very simple to get around. Everything is pretty clear. Like even getting out of that place, getting over here was pretty dang clear. I really like that. That's really awesome. Let me give you guys an idea of how clear I'm talking about. So right here it says stop D. D. 30. They just make it really simple, like super simple. Here is the double-decker bus right here. Let's go get on this joint for the first time. Hopefully this unlimited ticket works on this bus too. We'll see. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Oh, check this out. Wow, I'm on one of these buses. This is pretty cool. I guess I should have sat at the front, but there's people already sitting there. What an adventure. A rainy day in London. Now I've already dropped the bags off, checked into the hostel, and now I'm gonna go grab some food, look for some food. But meanwhile, since I'm gonna go walk and get food, I stopped by this convenience store and picked up a bag of chips here. These were £1, so that's what, roughly, and I would say a bag of chips this size in the US would cost about, I don't know, $1.50, $1.60, somewhere around there. So it's almost the same price. Okay, Happy Cow is sending me to this restaurant. Let's go check it out. So check out these vegan mozzarella sticks. These look really yummy. I haven't had mozzarella sticks in a very long time. Let's make these disappear. The vegan mozzarella sticks. They're really good, really good. Lots of vegan mozzarella inside. It was tasty. The sauce was very, very spicy. Those mozzarella sticks were 7 pounds. And yeah, they're really good. Would I have those again? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I'm not that big of a fan of vegan cheeses, but it was alright. It was good. But I think now I'm gonna get ready to head back to the hostel. I think I'm gonna get ready to crash because I've been traveling and I'm like exhausted, and it sounds like someone's walking right behind me. But there's no one walking right behind me. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on. So this is the first day in England, and I just did a couple random things in the city, and now I'm gonna go catch up on some sleep, catch up on some Z's, test out the internet, see how fast the internet speeds are around here, because yeah, I'll have to figure out that tomorrow. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.